Hi guys. My name is Ukachi, and yes, this is not me. This is my friend Debbie. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I twist her short, forcing natural hair. So before we go on, ensure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get right into business. You can see her hair is really dry in this video. So the first thing I do is I spritz her hair with leave-in conditioner and water from my spray bottle, so that it's easy for me to manipulate her hair. Then I use the Mega Growth Breakthrough Daily Leave-In Strengthener also as my an extra leave-in. Then I section her hair horizontally, please. I already have a video of how I twist my own hair for myself, but this video I'm showing you guys how I twist for a client. So I already sectioned it down, and I applied the Mega Growth Daily Leave-In Strengthener as my twisting medium. I mixed it with shea butter because shea butter is actually very good for twisting your hair. So I just applied this and twisted her hair, and I ensured that I swirled her ends at the end of every twist. I sectioned vertically for each twist, but I sectioned each row horizontally. So I repeated the same process for the next row. I first plait in threes, then I twist in twos after like 5 or 6 consecutive plait movements. You can see in the front, we've already come a long way. I'm just showing you guys the same thing over again, so that in case you didn't pick it up, you pick it up here. Applying more twisting medium, which is my shea butter and my Mega Growth Daily Leave-In Strengthener. So when I get to the front, I start to section vertically. I usually do a side part because side part kind of complements or flatters the face when you have short hair. If you have long hair or longer hair, I would advise you do like center parts, but my hair is even quite short, so I do a side part also. Don't forget to swirl the ends when you are done with each twist. And also don't mice your product. Apply the product accordingly. Don't try to mice or say, oh, I'm saving this. Apply it so that the twists come out beautifully. So this is the final result of our hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two about how to twist your client's hair. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Ensure you subscribe to my channel. See how cute she looks. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. And follow me across social media platforms of Natural Catch. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.